Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Daisy Lucero, just in case you guys don't know.
Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new and turn on your post notification so you guys can get notified when I post a video.
Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put on this moisturizer from Tatacha. Okay, I put it all over my face, on my forehead, my nose. Now my blender, my beauty blender, yes, and some NARS foundation or concealer, I don't know what it is. Put it on my forehead, my nose, my cheek, more on my other cheek. Okay, now I blend it in. Yes, blend it in. Keep blending it. Blend it some more. Blend it some more, I guess. Just keep. Don't forget to get your neck. Okay, now I don't know what it is. Yeah, put it under my eye bags. I got big eye bags, just by the way. Like, put it on my forehead again. I don't know what I'm doing here now. Just look and follow. Okay. I'm still blending. Blend some more. Just keep going. Okay, now we're gonna put on some powder from Airspun. Shake it up a little bit. Okay, hit it on top. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I'm being extra now. And then blend it under your eye bags. Yes. And then under your chin. I don't know what this is used for, but oh, to set the face. You set the face with that. Okay. More powder to set the face. Yeah. Okay, now you grab your blush and put it on your cheekbone. Oh, your bronzer. I'm sorry, bronzer. Correction. You add that on your cheekbone. Make sure you add a good amount. Yes. On your forehead too, apparently. Yes. To make it smaller. Yes. Now you get more highlight for your nose to make it smaller too. More highlight. I guess I really want my nose really small. This is baking powder. You put it on and you leave it there for a while so it can bake your makeup and it won't come out crusty. You won't look like a clown. Fix your eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. You comb it. I'm looking smacking. Yeah. Now you get some eyeshadow. You rub it all over your eyelid. Oh, blend. And you blend your eyeshadow into your eyelid. I guess we're getting a different color now. Okay, now we blend everything together. We're almost done here. Don't worry. Keep blending. Oh, now we get the blush and we add it. I'm using some pink blush. Oh, I don't know what's going on now. Yeah. Sorry, I just got a call. But let's go back to blending. You add some blush on your nose. Look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Add setting spray so it can set for 24 plus hours. You air dry. Keep air drying so you don't have a wet face. Okay, now you're gonna get a eyeliner, something to do a wing. This is very sharp now, so be careful, everybody. Don't get cut. It's a sharp wing. Now, what we're gonna do is clean it up, I guess. with concealer. There. Now we are gonna curl our eyelash. Be careful here because you might cut it off. If you're not careful. Now the other eyelash. Oh, we're adding mascara. Yeah. Make it look nice. Evenly spread it. Make it look good. Make sure you get a good amount on your eyelash. Every single one. Okay. There you go. Now we are adding some highlight to make it look shiny. Now I am adding more highlight on my nose and on my eyelid. Looking at my eyes, yes, I look nice. I'm doing a good job. Now this is lip gloss. Yep, you add it on your lips, makes it look glossy. Yep, you smush it together. Now this is more mascara. I guess we gotta add plenty of mascara. Okay, now we are ready. How do you guys like it? This was a finished look. Yes, thank you.
Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup and my hair. I just did some quick little like waves with my curling iron. My camera had to charge, so that's why I didn't really record it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. My boyfriend does my voiceover. So yeah, I really like how this turned out. This is kind of like my everyday look. But like lately I have like another routine that's like a little less makeup. Okay, so since it was Valentine's Day yesterday, I didn't get ready yesterday. Kind of just played a pool, which was the last video that I just did. We just stayed home playing pool. But today's video shout out is gonna go to my friend Araceli. So my boyfriend got me these. Oh my gosh, these cookies are the best. They are so yummy. Honestly, I don't know why, I'm obsessed with these cookies. So he actually got me 2 boxes, but oh, me getting distracted on the shout out. Okay, so he actually gave me 2 boxes and I already finished one of them, so I still have this full box. Yeah, the shout out goes to my friend Araceli. She makes like breakable hearts. She makes chocolate covered strawberries, these cookies, cheesecakes. They're super good. Like, they're just not like the regular cheesecakes. They're just like, she adds like a little bit, it's just different. It's just really good. Everything is so yummy. So you guys should definitely check her Instagram page for whenever you guys have antojos or whatever, like any occasion or for no occasion, just randomly, you know. So yeah, so definitely check her page out. You guys will not be disappointed. She has a lot of pictures of anything you guys want. she's so creative. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and make a TikTok now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoy, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.